Ooh. Cop's not gonna do anything. Whoa, we're going 35, 44 on a bicycle, 50, 60. What the? Everybody, this is Motostars, video price you pay for being a biker. We're going to do a nice little long, straight, no pause video. So quick shout out to Motostars for having a great video. That ninja dude is going to be passing on the left side. This is illegal.
It shows how unnecessary and needless is anger and aggression on the road.
Sorry, Motostars, this is your video. So we're going to be out on the shoulder. Not supposed to be doing this. Plus, there's a lot of debris. Always got to watch out for that. So when there's car crashes and whatnot, they're supposed to take it off the road. A lot of the stuff gets pushed off to the side, so you good chance of hitting some metal, some glass, some pieces of fenders, you know, alligator skins and all that stuff. This guy has to wash his car. It's absolutely terrible. Wash that car. Come on, man. But you got to watch out for road surface hazards when it comes to that. That is really dumb. Just go ahead and move back into your lane. Jay Struggs, because remember, guys, we are doing this live. He just donated $10 through a super chat. Woo! So moving on with Nacho El Masdoro Reyes. Here we go. Watch out for the pedestrian. Oh, not paying attention. She's sorry. It's okay, but you almost impacted that. You could have swerved a little bit to the right. Not a big deal. Moving on. Lane filtering. You have a big problem, Nacho, with pedestrians. Okay, we got some more pedestrians. Green does not always mean go. Let them go across. Stop being a jerk. This part, though, I understand. But we don't have to be mean about it. Just kind of creep through. Just kind of creep through. You don't do that on a car, do you? No, you wouldn't do that. You just kind of creep through. You don't want to run anybody over. All right, side of the vehicle. You saw that. The person was already going. You did not have to go. So hitting a mirror is also not very good. You could easily break your left hand or right hand, whatever it is. All right, long rider. Here we go.
Completely focus on the
rain.
The lane in front.
Watch out for the rain. Don't be a rubbernecker.
Debris.
Did a rubberneck. That was debris will be everywhere. Exactly. So that is going to be more of an orange stage maneuver type thing where you got to watch out for debris on the road. You got to not pay attention and get that rubbernecking going because you're not going to be able to see what's happening right in front of you. So he's hitting the debris. Very good. We do have a video on how to cross an obstacle on Motorcycle Training Concepts. Basically, blip the throttle and lift your butt up a little bit off the seat because that back end will hit the debris and push you up like a bucking bronco type thing. All right. No jokes in the chat. All right, how to not ride a motorcycle. Uh-oh, it's a crash. Did he try to ghost ride a motorcycle? That was absolutely dumb. But let's see if he's okay because we have to make sure and go ahead and rescue him if he is injured because sweatpants and a sweatshirt does not do much. Yeah, let's go run to the bike. Hey, bike, how you doing?
God damn it.
Check up on him.
Are you
so the fact that
oh gosh.
You okay?
The fact that that person is standing means that their legs are working, spine is still kind of working a little bit.
What to do?
I don't know. But that's when you need to rescue a rider. Okay, Nacho is back. He's probably gonna have a pedestrian somehow get on this interstate. Getting closer to a dumb driver is not the best thing. If this person slammed the brakes, you got hit. Move off into a better spot. It's left turn only, so be careful. Oh, sun in the eyes. Ay. Watch out, intersection. This is going to be orange stage. Multiple dum-dums everywhere, and I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that we're speeding, Nacho. Let's not do that. On his phone, not a big deal unless it causes issues like this, so don't pass. We're going 94 kilometers, I'm guessing, an hour here. But if you saw that, don't pass at that time. So truck driver pissed because he's stuck in traffic and wants to block everyone else. Hey, you know what? You know what they say about guys in big trucks, right? They got a high insurance bill.
The driver had deliberately blocked the run. The biker decided to wait patiently, which can be said for the rider in the rear.
Okay. So just go ahead and get off into the right lane and move on. Getting kind of close is a no bueno. You got somebody left of you acting kind of funky. You don't want to. Oh yeah. Don't do that. I didn't see that was a big deal. The traffic was kind of slowed down. I just see us being little dum-dums here and not being smart riders. These people right here in the lane merged 901 freeway, not the lane to go straight. Okay.
I do.
Sometimes people do dumb things. So we're lane filtering. It looks like we're on a bicycle. So e-bikes are really, really fast. I mean, he's going right here. That's his speedometer, 20 miles an hour. Probably just doesn't like. Ooh. Cop's not going to do anything. Whoa, we're going 35, 44 on a bicycle, 50, 60. What the? Guys, this is a bicycle. Look at that little itty-bitty rotor down there in that shadow. Do you really think that itty-bitty rotor is going to stop you and slow you down quick enough when it comes to 60 miles per hour? Because remember, we do have a total stopping distance that we got to be paying attention to.
You know you turn left. You know you turn.
He does have an Alpine Stars gloves. He does have some gear, so he is somewhat being a smart rider.
It's a one lane going straight. I'm on.
Right there, that's fine.
Bike. I know.
Look at the bike. Look at the bike in the. That's all I care about.
No, it wasn't.
So Silverado guy is gonna just argue his point. Get out of the road yourself. He's protected if he gets hit. You're not. So I want that bike, and I want to be able to play around with that. Somebody in the comments, tell me what kind of bike that is. Part of being a smart rider is acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment. So make sure you grab yourself a jacket just like this one from RevZilla using the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It helps me out. No extra cost to you. Plus, it lets RevZilla know that the DDiffin crew is pretty badass, and they actually grab some gear. Anyways, click that link. I'll see you soon. Yeah. So, here we go. So, slow down before the turn. Oh, there we go. We learned that from a different channel, didn't we? And we're gonna, oh, but we didn't pay attention too much. So, full gear. So, he does have the necessary leathers so that hopefully he doesn't have an issue. But slow look, press and roll, guys. You got to look far ahead, you know, so look for sign and debris. You got to adjust your speed beforehand. Maintain good throttle control. So if we're slowing down first, that means we're maintaining a good slower throttle. You got to relax a little bit. But hitting something like this on the road or just straight up losing traction is not good. You need to keep looking through the turn so that we can actually find our exit and go towards that exit. So full leathers, full gear does not give you the go-ahead to go fast and take these turns like an idiot. But it will protect you, hopefully, if something like this happens. So a lot of people get a false sense of security when it comes to wearing full gear. You should not do that. A lot of firefighters have died because they think that their turnouts will save them. So Nacho is back. So Motostars, let's just call this the Nacho video. Did get cut off. I agree with that. Okay, we're going to get a merging issue right here, possibly, because people suck at turning. Now look at the car to the right. Look at the car to the right. Yeah, that red vehicle pushed him out. So now we're going to get pissed off at the silver vehicle. Okay, it's not his fault, but we're going to be a jerk. Okay, Nacho. Okay, that was real. Now, that was that pattern where that on the right lane, it was slower than the left lane. Left lane was open. That person wanted to move over. Did not see you because of unintentional blindness or whatever it was. We got side of the vehicle. They're going to merge in whatever lane they decide they want to go to. We're going to go ahead and lane filter. It doesn't matter. Because we're just having a lot of fun. Right, Nacho?
It's worth paying attention to the quick reaction of the biker, which effectively prevents the danger.
Okay. So we're on a frontage road. That person is on the wrong side. That's a double yellow. Uncommon thing in a common situation. We need to be paying attention. That's a stop sign. So this person could either be elderly, new to the area, intoxicated. It looks like an...
It's only one lane. This isn't a 2-lane, sir.
Elderly. Happens quite a bit, guys. Happens quite a bit.
I don't even know.
It's going to be a cognitive decline issue. It is. But it's still deadly. So good job on Prexy for actually being nice. It's sir. That's really great. Whoa, shite. Yeah, so watch out for that. We both merged at the same time. Law of gross tonnage. Even with a car, that thing's going to win. All right, Nacho, once again. Nacho. What are we doing here, Nacho? What are we doing? Oh, what the hell? I'm sorry. No. I said I wasn't going to pause, but we're almost done. Here's the thing. Let's see what happens here again. So a little bit too wide on a left-handed turn hits. Another law of gross tonnage thing when it comes to a concrete pillar. Easily separation of the AC joint, broken collarbone, which is your clavicle. I guess I could start using some medical terms. Broken ribs, a lot of painful issues, especially falling down, hitting your head. Not good. So whoever is in charge of the security on this sent this in. They took the footage. All right, here we go. Doom YZF, how you doing, man? Ooh, nice. They saw it. Side of the vehicle. You did good. You moved out of the way. Yeah. Not a big deal. Motostars, we're almost done here. We go. We got water on the road, side of the vehicle. It's going to be difficult for braking, so he just adapted. Remember, we're planning our ride, so he just located it and adapted out of the way. We got a roundabout. There's going to be orange stage because we got sides of the vehicles. Don't tell me that was your issue. That is nothing. That was a zipper merge. That was really good. Non-issue. Bobber 400, side of the vehicle way up there. Watch out for anybody coming out of the parking. Okay, watch out for this person wanting to go left and found a parking spot, right? They should have been into the other lane. You're welcome, Motostars, and thank you, Motostars, for being in class today. Go ahead and grab yourself a slice of pizza. I don't know if rabbits eat pizza, but you can have one. Go ahead and give it to your, just whatever, your friends or something, right? Woo. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.